Do you want to be able to fix your following too fast in TikTok? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix it. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work. So the first step is going to be very simple. We need to firstly go into our TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here. So then when you are on your TikTok app, then you need to firstly go into your profile in here. And then when you're on your profile, then click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we get a couple of options in here, which is perfect. What I'm going to do in here is to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. And now we should be taken to this page. Now what I'm going to do on this page is to just scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Just going to load here for us. And perfect, we should now be taken to this page. The reason why you need to come to this page in here, because we need to actually contact the TikTok customer support, and they are the only ones that can help us to actually fix this issue. Because myself, I had this issue yesterday, but I was able to actually fix this by going into this page right here. Then I'm going to scroll down, click on submit a report, way down below as you can see. Just going to load. And perfectly, as you can see, I should now be taken to this page. I'm just going to delete this one. This was an old report that I did. So as you can see, I'm now taken to this page. So what you're going to do now is to write like this to the TikTok support to be able to make this work. I am currently getting the error, the error that I am following too fast on my TikTok account. This is not true, and I need this to be fixed. So basically write exactly like this now to them. I am currently getting the error that I am following too fast on my TikTok account. This is not true and I need this to be fixed. That is basically exactly what you need to write. And don't forget to also click on submit. I'm not going to do so because I already had this problem resolved yesterday, but you need to click on submit, and then you will need to wait like 24 hours basically for the TikTok support to see this, and then they should also reply back to you. And hopefully when they do reply back to you, then this problem will be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.